This video enhances your understanding of running a sterilization cycle. Start by placing instruments inside the chamber using trays or cassettes of your choice. With the sterilizer's door open, select a program that suits your load's needs. Available at 250 to 270 Fahrenheit for different requirements. Select from specialized options for immediate use, unwrapped tools, or storage, wrapped tools. It is imperative to select a program that not only meets your immediate needs but also aligns with the tool manufacturer's guidelines for sterilization. Use the partial load program for smaller loads to save time. Close the door securely and press the Start button. The Start button will appear on the touch screen display only when all pre-start conditions are met. The door must be securely closed. The clean water tank needs to have sufficient water. There should be no active alarms preventing the start of a new cycle. Track the program's progress and time remaining through the display, with options for numerical or graphical view. You can stop the cycle anytime. The chamber needs about 2 minutes to cool down and release steam safely before opening. At cycle end, the system will beep and display the outcome. Press Confirm to unlock the door.